So basically, here at this office building, they have a number of meetings that they carry out in different rooms throughout the building. They wanted to be able to take attendance of who is at each meeting. An easy way for them to have people come in, swipe their badge, and have it show up on their access control. So they haven't even given anybody access. It just shows access denied to this particular door, technically, so that they know when they were at the meeting. It gives them a timestamp and everything. So they actually can just take this, plug it in anywhere, basically set it on a table outside the office building or outside the meeting room. And then as people come through, they just swipe their card and then it logs it on their access control system.